So back in August 2023, that was me. I was a burnt out mom to three, trying to balance life, work, school, parenthood, mom, wife, the whole shenanigan. And no matter how hard I worked, my income was just not enough. Until I came across a blueprint which allows me to make daily pay. And the best part is and this is something that people don't understand, is that I literally have to create content. I have to create content like this, and that is what brings me in daily pay. It is mind-blowing, people, that I have been able to improve my financial situation in a matter of 3 months. It actually happened in my first month, honestly, but I had been able to reach 6 figures in literally 3 months just by doing this, just by posting content. Once you purchase this blueprint and you go through all of the training and you learn the skills, you then sit back and realize all I've got to do for the day is literally create content. And come on, people, can it get any easier? Can it get any easier? So if you are looking for this life-changing opportunity, because that's what I call it, because this is what I do to bring an income from my home. So if you're looking to do the same, drop me a comment and I'd love to share this opportunity with you.